model, 62-plate Citroen Relay 35L3 HDI 130 6-speed Luton box van with tail lift bargain. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 144,756. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs really well, but it does have a bit of black smoke under acceleration, possibly needs at least one injector replacing. Thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.